Using Sakai's syllabus tool to upload important course information is a great way to help communicate course expectations to your students. In this video tutorial, we'll use the syllabus tool to upload your syllabus to your Sakai course site. Start by clicking the syllabus icon on the sidebar. Click Add Attachment. Click Choose File. Browse and select your syllabus. A PDF is recommended. Click Open. Notice that the title of your syllabus now appears in this section. Click Continue. If you need to attach an additional file to this item like a rubric in the same section, click Add Attachments again. You can use this method to add as many files as you need. To delete an unwanted item, simply click the trash icon next to the file, and not the icon on the far right. This will delete the whole section. Sakai will confirm if you want to delete the file. Hover over the I icon. A line across it indicates that the item is not published. Without it, it is published and viewable by students. To include additional items that might require a section like forms, handbooks, or other materials, you'll need to create and add a new item. Click the Add Item in the toolbar. Type and label the item. Should there be a need for instructions on additional items, type them in the text below. When finished, click Add and Publish. To see what your students will see, simply click at the View Cite As on the top right of the page. Scroll down and select Student. There you have it. This has been a tutorial on how to upload your syllabus in your Sakai home course site. For questions, email us at at@antioch.edu.